Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the coolest kitchen and home gadgets that'll make your life easier. From time-saving tools to clever space savers, we've got something for everyone. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a video. Let's get started. So friends, let's start the video. Fabric shaver. Keep your clothes looking new with a BEAUTURAL fabric shaver and lint remover. This handheld device quickly removes lint, fuzz, and pilling from fabrics, leaving them smooth and refreshed. Its adjustable height and large shaving head make it ideal for use on a variety of materials, from sweaters to upholstery. With 3-speed settings, it's easy to customize for delicate or thick fabrics. The ergonomic design ensures comfortable use, while the detachable lint container makes cleaning simple. Powered by batteries, it's perfect for on-the-go use. Maintain a polished look effortlessly. Wall charger. Power up your devices with this sleek and compact wall charger designed for fast and efficient charging. Compatible with most smartphones, tablets, and USB-powered devices, it delivers reliable energy through its dual-port design. The lightweight build makes it perfect for travel or home use. Built-in safety features protect against overcharging and overheating, ensuring your devices stay safe. Its universal compatibility guarantees you're never without power. Simply plug into any standard outlet and enjoy a quick charge, ideal for busy lifestyles and on-the-go convenience. Candle lighter. Light candles effortlessly with the RAYONNE candle lighter, designed for convenience and safety. This rechargeable electric lighter uses a flameless arc to ignite candle EBS or gas stoves quickly and efficiently. Windproof and splashproof, it works perfectly both indoors and outdoors. The long, flexible neck allows you to reach deep candle jars or tricky angles with ease, featuring a safety switch and automatic shutoff. It ensures peace of mind during use. USB charging means no need for disposable lighters. Sleek, modern, and eco-friendly, it's the perfect tool for any home. Pizza maker. Enjoy delicious homemade pizza with this versatile pizza maker, perfect for any kitchen. Its non-stick surface ensures easy cooking and effortless cleaning. The compact design heats up quickly, delivering evenly baked, crispy crusts every time. With adjustable temperature controls, you can bake pizzas just the way you like. Ideal for personal pizzas, quesadillas, and flatbreads, it's a must-have for quick meals and family nights. The sleek and modern design fits neatly on countertops, saving space. Make pizza night fun and simple with this convenient, easy-to-use appliance. Electric s'mores maker. Create the perfect indoor s'mores experience with the nostalgia tabletop electric s'mores maker. Featuring an electric flameless heater, this compact unit safely roasts marshmallows without an open flame. Ideal for family gatherings or parties, it includes 4 compartments for your graham crackers, chocolate, and more. The stainless steel base ensures durability, while the removable parts make cleaning a breeze. The included roasting forks allow easy marshmallow toasting. No wood or campfire required. Just plug it in and enjoy s'mores anytime, anywhere. Perfect for cozy nights and fun-filled celebrations.